going Ryu?
That's a good question. I know that his neutral B, his Hadouken, whatever, is a little different. And I think it actually works good against Sonic's like dash or whatever it does. I know nothing about Sonic though, so.
I was thinking it also could be.
There we go. That's what we're talking about. Yeah.
Shocknets.
I'm not sure what other differences there are, but I do know that's one of the differences. And Shoryuken is like a, I don't know, it goes from the bottom. Almost like a Dr. Mario up B. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
But Ken's can go up top. So here we have Sonido. I always like to see Sonic because, like, I really don't know what they're doing, honestly.
Nobody plays Sonic in Tennessee.
Yeah, I don't have any.
Nobody plays Sonic in Chattanooga.
I don't have any Sonic experience. Now Ryu can a little bit, but not really either. Like, not good, not as good as Ronin. Oh, good spacing there for Ronin. Well, so I'm actually from Georgia. I just live close to Chattanooga, so I come here for the weeklies and whatnot. So technically, I'm a Georgia boy, so I got root for my fellow buddy Sonido. I don't even know him. So.
We biased.
Nah, I really don't care. I just want to see a good match.
I'm rooting for Ronin X then.
I wish I could
Tennessee
commentate.
boy.
I wish I could commentate on people I know.
Okay. Just pretend it's Zack and Luca then.
No, I'm talking about characters.
Oh, characters.
Yeah.
Just pretend it's Greninja and Teo. Alright, we got Sonic with the witch twist.
That's a good nair. Popping up for the back air. Oh. Ooh. Gets him with the little up B. Not sure how that works either. How you can, like, be effective with that. Oh, I think. Yeah, he's dead. He's probably dead. Sonido's so good at edge guarding. Like, you wouldn't think Sonic would be a good edge guard character, but he's doing a great job with it.
Nah, he can definitely. Well, he can throw springs out there with like. Ooh, that was bad. Auto correct down tilt.
So that's one thing I do know about them. So you can cancel their jabs or any actual move almost with no lag, like into a special attack, such as Shoryuken, Hadouken, or whatever the fuck is or whatever the, yeah.
And since in this game Ryu automatically faces his opponent, Ronin was just able to spam down tilt there, and it automatically like option selected the roll.
Yeah, that's one of the great benefits of playing them. Like rolls, like if someone happens to try to roll across your up, you're gonna get punished. You're gonna get down tilted 10 times in a row into a Shoryuken, and you're gonna die 50. Like that.
Alright, we got even. Ronin is hanging in there. Pretty impressed so far. Well, we'll see if he can close it out. Right now he's getting edge guarded. But like I was saying before, Sonic can pretty much just up B and drop springs off stage with no commitment. He can also run off with forward air. And then if he's getting really brave, he can do a suicide dare.
He has no jump here. Oh yeah, he's dead for sure.
There's also
he's
that.
Probably still dead, yeah. Yeah, good. See, Sonido's really good at that. Every time, the few times I've seen him in person, which has been like twice, he's been really good at his part.
Probably the best Sonic in America right now.
What about me?
What about you? Huh? You're the most handsome Sonic.
Oh, true.
Hey everybody, if you have any gear upstairs, please go break it down and pack it up. Any gear upstairs on the other side, please go pack it up. We gotta get out of that area.
You cannot make me! So who do you think Jade is? You think that's his girlfriend?
That's probably his girlfriend. Could be someone else. I really don't care. I don't know why. I don't know why people do that. I mean, I have my tag as my name, but I don't know. That's just me. Never understood that. Like, my name's not Jade. If I had a girlfriend named Jade, I would name my tag Jade.
Alright, game 2. Sonido up 1-0. Yoshi's story. Let's get it. So, a little bit less space horizontally for Sonic to run around. Also, he's it's got the platform to set on, so Sonic can't just crook straight on all the time. And Ronin X is going back to 10 instead of Ryu. He was doing pretty good on Ryu, but it may be a comfort issue.
Yeah, and that sucks. But now that he's playing Ken, he's gonna have easier, well, in my opinion at least, easier to kill with the up B. Ooh, nice down B movement there. I'm not sure what that down B is called, and it's that Japanese thing, whatever.
Focus attack.
Focus attack?
Yeah.
I know, but like, you know, isn't it called like some like gibberish
In Japanese,
Yeah.
it's probably just called focus attack in Japanese too.
All of this is new to me, honestly. This new, I'm learning right now, Sonic.
Yeah.
Like how do you play against Sonic? But it's kind of weird, you know. Like, Ken. Ken has a different game plan, like almost all characters. Like, they have to be careful. They have to do a lot of different things. By the way, I'm hungry. I'm so hungry.
Going for sushi later.
I want to go, but I'm broke. So,
oh man.
So you should pay for me.
Well, you have some of mine.
Some of your water?
I'm probably gonna get like gyoza and sushi or something. I'm probably not gonna eat it all. So.
Honestly, I might not go just because I have like my friend invited me to a party. But let's get back to the match. You know, we can talk about sushi another day.
Yeah.
Speaking of sushi, Sonic turned into sushi. Sonic turned into sushi there. That's where you get. Okay, good up there.
I've never heard of hedgehog sushi. That's gotta be new.
It's pretty good. I've tried it.
Okay. Does it taste like chicken?
No, tastes like Sonic. Blue.
Oh, I was kind of getting bodied here. I don't know if it's a stage or character swap or adaptation from Sonido, but it's not going well for him right now.
But just keep in mind, he still is playing Ken. He can get the Shoryukens at 70 and die. Sonic can die.
I also wonder if there's some character unfamiliarity from Sonido, because Scott was saying earlier
not
that
only Sonido, but Ronin too. Because like you said, Sonic in Tennessee, it's pretty rare. I'm not talking about state.
Yeah, I don't know any.
You know, I'm gonna play Sonic now. See what I mean? That's exactly what I mean. He's still in the game.
Well.
Ooh, good recovery there. A little high. Bouncy bounce.
Yeah, that was pretty cute. Up there, focus attack.
Ronin's movement. Oh, good read there.
That's back up tilt. That's all it takes.
Give me a second.
Okay. Game 3 coming up. We're gonna have to see some kind of adaptation from Ronin. Whether it's going back to Ryu, a different stage. He's going the same stage apparently. Really thinks Yoshi's story and Ken was the answer. Just wasn't working out. Maybe he can read Sonido a little better this time. Maybe he can execute better. Get some better punishes. We'll see. Got the auto correct down tilt. Oh, that was a nice focus there. Parry, Shoryuken. Ronin X almost got a pretty clean stock. Let's see if we can finish it off though before taking the spin. Oh, I don't know the face. He's just spamming now. You don't even care. Okay. Bit too far for a Shoryuken. or maybe Tatsu. Oh, that's gonna put Sonido back in the lead. I was afraid that Ronin X wouldn't be able to close up the spot, and I was right, but that's even again. Close the stash down tilt. Good parry. We got some basic combos. Nothing fancy. Oh, he guesses wrong side. Oh, Ronin X is really doing a good job stopping Sonido with his down tilt right now. He needs to keep that up. Ooh. I like why Sonido needs to adapt to that. He needs to fade those out somehow. Maybe jump over it. Oh, whoa, he just went for it. Ronin X in the solid lead now. He's really been dominating the neutral this game. Good landing. That's Hendrix. Wait, you're telling me that loser is Hendrix? I thought Hendrix was a cool guy. Jeez, I've been misled. Nino with a nice back air on the focus backdash. Back to even. Ronin X is up. Well, maybe not for long. But, wow, dude. That was a nice combo, just didn't kill though. Sonido smartly going to the ledge instead of trying to challenge Ronin from above and get the shuriken. Oh, that's... Oh, that wasn't good. Looks like he's able to land a... He's just spamming down tilt. He's really trying. He's fishing for it. Okay. Nice tech. Oh no, he's fishing too hard. And that's a 3-game sweep to Sonido.
I feel like this is just mostly just experience. All I have to go off of this is just my notes. That's kind of all I've got to go off. I have no songs. Yeah, I have a...
So Ronin says he doesn't have any Sonics to play with and he's only going off his notes. But it was a pretty impressive performance.